guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic opening text for your edit on CapCut. So here you can just use a black image from the stock video as the background and go to text, then write your text. Okay, here you can go to effect and then choose the one you like. I choose this one. And you can adjust the size, click on the check icon and export the video. Now start a new project with the video that you just saved, and then go to mask, click on clip, go to mask and choose film strip. Rotate it diagonally like this and drag the arrow to have some blurry edges. After that, drag the masking to the left. Now click on a check icon and add a keyframe at the start. Now move forward a bit, go to mask again and drag the keyframe like this. Move forward again, another keyframe, go to mask again and just do it like this. Again, you can just do it up to you. Okay, after that, go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and in here at the end just reveal whole text like this. Okay, click on a check icon. Now you are done and the text will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.